everyone, welcome back to Journey to Home Sweet Home with Pearl. Today I want to show you how I quickly and easily wrap ribbon around my Christmas tree. So the first thing you're going to want to do is wrap the ribbon in a coil around your fingers. So it'll look like this once it's coiled up, and I am using wired ribbon for this. When you're done coiling the ribbon, you're going to let it go, and the ends will have a really nice curl. Now hold your ribbon at the curly end and tuck it in at the back of your tree. Then keep twisting and moving diagonally across your tree. And I like putting my ornaments on before I put my ribbon. That way my position of my ribbon is in the forefront. If there are any ornaments that are getting covered with the ribbon, you can pull them out and bring them to the front of your ribbon. Once you're done, you can adjust. And all in all, I used 4 spools of 9 feet ribbon from the dollar store. So here is what our tree looked like last year in our old home. And this is what it looks like this year in our new home.